Good afternoon, state official. In meeting between country, we'll discussion how COVID-19 in your country. And start from Iqbal from country.
Okay, hello and gentlemen. Hello, I am leader of Denmark. Denmark have 198,960 coronavirus cases and 2,145 deaths and 187,967 recovered. So Denmark plans to wipe out the entire Ming population because of this vulnerability to host SARS-CoV-2. The coronavirus that causes COVID-19 then transmit it to humans. There is a risk that this population could contribute through multiple modes of transition of the virus to human, and then from human to human. Smallwood said it's perfectly normal for the coronavirus to genetically mutate many times. We are monitoring animal to human transmission very carefully, and the reports we call are very interested in the particular information. Denmark want to show the determination and courage in facing the decision of its more than 50 million population. Is tremendous economic impact of the COVID-19 outbreak. And then Denmark want to lock down do the Danish schools, kindergartens will be closed for 2 weeks to slow down the spread of the corona. The tough new measures will also include banning indoor event with 1,000 or more attendance, and sending public sectors employees working in non-critical sector homes. Government assistance, and then for recovery economics, Denmark an assistance package. Coronavirus outbreak was an unexpected shock to the Danish economy at that time for the whole world. This had a significant impact on behavioral, consumer, credit activity, and employment in the short term since March. Even though we are starting to observe indication of recovery in and with the support of government aid package and payments. No one can confirm that uncertainty is really fading. It should be not that Denmark economic recovery is also dependent on the resolution of the other countries. Denmark is the second country in 2090 Global Resilience Index. It has a strong supply chain and low corruption. The country is also moving fast when the coronavirus outbreaks by maintaining physical distance and territorial restrictions. They announced the closure of non-SSL private school and business on March. Denmark also closed its borders to foreign on March 15. When the country had only a few positive cases, but this has proven effective. However, that doesn't mean that there are not challenges. Our Christian has personally seen his travel business revenue plummet. While he appreciates the government financial aid package announcement March 50, the regulation have not been fully enforced, leading to more uncertainty on layoffs. However, such measures, such as paying 90% of worker wage per hour and 75% of wage workers affected by the crisis are being highlighted as models for entire world whose economy is increases. What Denmark is doing is not cheap because it costs 13% 13% of the total GDP. So that's of all about Denmark.
And now for Rizky from Belgia country. Sir, you can start now.
Thank you in advance to moderator for giving me time to speak. Please allow me to introduce myself, Rizky Ramdan Ripaldi, representative from the University of Belgium. On this occasion, I will explain a little about the current condition and situation regarding with the COVID-19 pandemic in Belgium. The number that was positive up to the present time was around 695,000. Who were positively affected, and the number who died was around 20,814. There was a significant increase, namely in October, with 1 week on average who were positively infected around 17,802. This was due to the occurrence of new normal activities. There's that the community and reopening shopping and entertaining and venues. In addition, there are several ways by the Belgian government, namely by prohibiting traveling about such as the UK, because according to the issue, there is a new type of virus which will actually add to the exciting problem in the prevention. Then furthermore, by closing all bar and restaurant closed for weeks. Working from home will be encouraged. Curfew will be enforced until 5 p.m. alcohol seller will be prohibited from 8 p.m. and so on with and under limited time limit. The government hopes that this can reduce the activities of its residents outside the home. Besides that, we are also not tired to invite all residents to obey the health protocol by using masks, be diligent in washing hands and not crowding, so that all these incidents are quickly resolved. Besides that, also in order to economic recovery, government agree and on aid found from the result of the European Union conference of 1 trillion euro, which will later be distributed to several countries in Europe that are critically affected by COVID-19. And regarding vaccine, the Belgian government will also eliminate vaccine for all its citizens. This was conveyed by Belgian Health Minister Frank van Broek, saying that his party intend to make the coronavirus vaccine available free for a change of 70% of the population of around 8 million people. The goal is to vaccinate at least 70% of the population. Priority group will be determined based on scientific opinion and social debate. As for vaccine usage, namely is AstraZeneca, Pfizer, and BioNTech. Maybe that's all I can say. I hope that with this conference we can work together in overcoming this pandemic. And lastly, I hope we will always be given the health and safety of our world. Thank you.
Thank you for explanation that has given. And now, Bastian from Moscow, Russia. Yeah, let's start, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, my friend. My name is Rahmat Bastian. My representative from Russia will explain about the development of COVID-19 in that country. Russia has confirmed a positive case of COVID-19 in Russia continues to rise, making the country in fourth place with the most case infection worldwide. There were 21,152 new cases recorded daily, bringing the total confirmed positive case of COVID-19 in Russia to 633,952 cases. Of the total infection case, the 3,027,316 people have recorded and 67,200 people have died. The Eurostat statistic agency said that the number of deaths from the all-cause case recorded between January and November had risen by 229,700 compared to the previous year. More than 81% of the increase in mortality over this period is due to COVID, said Deputy Minister Tatina Glova, meaning over the 186,000 Russians have died from COVID-19. Eurostat now figures mean that Russia now the world third highest COVID-19 death behind the United States with their 133,000 on 100 and 43 Brazil with 191,139 according to an AFP count. The new figures come as authorities hold again reposting and nationwide lockdown in the hopes of boosting and struggling economy even as the country is battered a second wave of infection. During his annual end of year's press conference earlier this month, Mr. Putin rejected the idea of imposing the kind of lockdown many Europe countries introduction going to the Christmas holiday. While strict measures have been imposed in some major cities, authorities in many regions have limited restrictions to many wearing in a public space and reduction many mass gatherings. But many Russian flouts social distancing and in the recent week in the country outbreak of the helmet properly founded hospital in the regions. The solution given household that Russia close is the country temporarily because is to the reduce the growth of the COVID-19 that's in there. Thank you from Russia.
Thank you, sir, from explanation. And now, Via Silviana from Prancis. Yeah, yes, mom, your can start.
Okay, thank you. I am Pia Silviana, representative from France. After the emergence of virus last year, I decided to and lockdown on May 11, 2020 by using foam strategies to deal with coronavirus. Ones which will be opened first is kindergarten, primary, and secondary school. However, this allowance does not apply to university, which will not be able to hold class in person until at least summer. Two, not all are opened, is for the elderly, disabled, and cafe, restaurant, bar, cinema, and theater, concert hall, and museum will also remain closed. 3, testing mass, tracking, and vaccine. 4, more independent. However, due to the increases in COVID-19, crisis and decided to impose a second lockdown on October 30, 2020 until December. During the lockdown, the two residents were required to obey the order at home, except to exercise on hall every day, seek treatment, and buy basic goods. Complying with order to close restaurant and bar during the national quarantine. Shop that do not sell basic goods and required to close. End of year 2020, France will receive 1.16 million doses, and it is estimated that around 3.5 doses of vaccine will be used for 1.7 million citizens and prioritize the elderly and other vulnerable groups. France decided of the lockdown a third time and taken several plans. However, there are still many obstacles facing France, namely the production of vaccine is hybrid. The vaccination program behind which a second start some French citizens could be vaccine, and this term of the government is private public health service. The solution that be done to deal with residents who refuse vaccine is to COVID residents to work together so that with this can be overcome by receiving vaccine from the survival of the all residents. Thank you.
Thank you, Diana from Gist, and now Hesti from German. You can explain explanation how you fit in your country.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Yunus. We know the COVID pandemic has spread with alarming speed, infecting millions and bringing economic activity to a near standstill. Countries impose tight restriction on movement to halt the spread of the virus. As the health and human toll grows, the economic damage is already evident and represents the large economic shock the world has experienced in decades. And COVID-19 pandemic in Germany is part of the ongoing worldwide pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 because they suffer acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. German Disease and Epidemic Control is advised by the Robert Koch Institute. According to a national pandemic plan, the outbreaks were first managed in a containment stage which attempted to minimize the expansion of clusters. From 30 March, the pandemic has been managed in the protection stage as per the Robert Koch Institute plan, with German state mandating school and kindergarten closure, postponing academic semester, and prohibiting visit to nursing homes to protect the elderly. 2 days later, borders to Austria, Denmark, France, Luxembourg, and Switzerland were closed. By 21 were imposed in 6 German states, while other states prohibit more than one person inside one household. And then by late August, infection numbers had returned to the level and possible second wave of the pandemic was under debate. By mid-October, it was believed by experts to be inevitable. A partial lockdown from 2 November, in which physical distancing rules were tightened while school and kindergartens remained open, temporarily halt the rise in case numbers. The total numbers of reported infections since the start of the pandemic crossed 1 million on 27 November. And in spite of a hard lockdown imposed from 5 December until 10 January 2021, infection number remained high and eventually coronavirus-related deaths also rose sharply. The situation, the as yet unclear effect of the relaxation of the gathering Christmas on infection numbers and the uncertainties associated with appearance of a particularly infection strain of the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. In prompted to government on 5 January 2021 to extend the lockdown to the end of the month. Besides the introduction physical distancing measure similar to those of March 2020, a new regulation prohibits movement on the part its district beyond a radius of 50 kilometers from the place of residence, with exception. 19 January, the lockdown was extended until 40 February, in which the wearing of surgical masks was made mandatory. So, employers were to allow their employees, wherever possible, to work from home. And then for the solution, And then, for the solution COVID-19 vaccination, with the BioNTech Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine began on 26 December 2020, to get about slow procurement and the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. The Health Ministry respond by pointing to the advantage of having ordered the vaccine through the European Union. It expected that a total of 30 million doses from the two suppliers would be available in the first quarter. That's all. Thanks for attention. Always stay safe and keep healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Hesti. Your country is very good. And, and now, from Italia, his name is Nurul, and I want to ask you, Miss Nurul, how about COVID-19 in your country? Because Italy is one of the cleanest country in the world. Okay,
Okay, thank you, Mr. Yunus. With the outbreak of this virus, I invite all elements of society to increasing health protocol. Example, wear a mask, wash your hand after or before the activity. Keep a distance and avoid the crowd to break the Chinese viral plague. What happened in the Italia state regarding this pandemic? On March 8, 2020, Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte extended the quarantine to all of Lombardy and 14 other northern provinces, and on the following day to all Italy, placing more than 60 million people on lockdown. On March 11, 2020, Conte prohibited nearly all commercial activities, except for supermarket and pharmacy. On March 21, the Italy government closed all non-essential business and industry and restricted the movement of people. For the solution to the prisoners of the world, there are several facets. The first effect of the economy is a tendency to create a lockdown policy, and it's kind of blocking those economic activity from work to restricted work to much more that cripple the economy. The second is the health aspect. The thing we have to take care of is body, immunity, and complete health protocol. To increase immunity, we need to take vitamin C in order to boost immunity. With the present vaccine, people so participate in it and be directed by the healthcare provider. There are many stakes to this. Coming back still has to adhere to health protocol. Thank you.
thank you, Miss Nurul. And now, for a country Spanyol, and I want ask from Miss Yani, how your solution from COVID pandemic this. Uh, yes, Miss Yani, you can start.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Yunus. and I want to introduce myself. My name is Aryani Romauli Banjarnahor. I am a representative from the country of Spain and will explain a little about the current conditions regarding COVID-19 in the country of Spain. The total number of cases of COVID-19 in Spain is 2,822 people and 60,000 people have died. A total of 346 COVID-19 patients in Spain complain of new symptoms. Their tongue are swollen and uneven, so they look like trash. According to a recent study, research found that 1 in 4 COVID-19 patients notice a change in their tongue. The symptoms are often combination with patients who lost their sense of taste or smell. It is not clear whether the symptoms can spread because the patients included in the study had moderate cases of infection. Research are unsure whether this symptom, double COVID tongue, might affect severe or only mild patients. Although the coronavirus infection is known to cause symptoms in the mouth and tongue, there is not much data on this phenomenon in COVID-19 patients. The new findings were presented on 26th of January and first published in September last year in the British Journal of Dermatology. The study also found that about 40% of patients experience skin problems on the palms of their hands or feet. These include a burning sensation, redness, peeling skin, and small bumps. About 1 in 10 patients develop a rash. Previous research has also found the coronavirus infection can affect the hands, feet, and skin. In May last year, a dermatologist report on a patient with red, swollen toes and a rash associated with COVID-19. Science also don't fully understand when the types of symptoms tend to appear. So at this point in time, it is difficult to know if they can help predict a more severe case or a prolonged COVID-19. On the 21st of October 2020, Spain reported its highest daily case since the first report of COVID-19 infection in February 2020. Spain became the second European country to set a lockdown since last Saturday, then followed by the French state which closed all business that were deemed unimportant to citizens. Spain economic growth slowed to 20% year on year, down 4% from the previous quarter. The domestic spending sector was the main contributor to the slowdown, coupled with the decline in investment and export value. The government predicts economic growth will slow down 9% by 2020. And the solution provided by the Spanish government is by means of a lockdown, and the government asks its 60 million inhabitants to stay indoors as much as possible. Residents can only go out if it is relate to emergency needs, such as buying daily items. So much information about COVID-19 in Spain, and hopefully we can learn to take better care of our health and keep wearing masks. Thank you.
Mr. Healthy, I can ask you how Queen Elizabeth and her husband COVID positive COVID-19 and how many to economy and healthy in there. Yes, let's start. Mr. Healthy,
Thank
you can
you.
hear me?
Yeah. Okay, thank you. In advance to the moderator who have given my times an opportunity to speak with my permission to introduce myself, Helvi Triadi, representative from the UK. On the occasion, I will explain a little about the condition and the let's on how to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic in the UK. The number of positive ones in January 2021 was around 61,757, with a weekly average of 50 around 52,697, and the number who did in the January 2021 was around 1,662, with a weekly average of 1,103. This is a significant jump at the beginning of this year. Uh, at the end of last year, December only ranged from an average 12,766. This is because the new normal has an impact in uh, increasing case of COVID-19 in the UK, and coupled with the presence of a new virus variant of the COVID-19 that operates in the UK, which is said to be more infection and more deadly. According to British Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who said that the new variant of the COVID virus was more deadly than before. In addition, there are several countermeasures for the government, namely by launching the Oxford Astra's coronavirus variant, and will immediately reinforce the lockdown policy again. This decision was announced by Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Monday for January, based on the decree announced. All areas of the UK will be closed or in lockdown starting Wednesday, 6 January, as well as given and apply to stay at home to slow the COVID-19 outbreak under control following the instruction given by the British government. Number one, instruction for all residents to stay at home. Number two, residents are allowed to leave their home only for purpose such as point one of obtain basic needs as rarely as possible. Point two, excessive egg running, walking, or cleaning, either independent, independently or with family member. Point two, work, but for urgent needs that cannot be done at home. Number three, the police will enforce the law, including tropiness and dismiss the meeting. Number four, the ensure compliance of citizens. The government will immediately take action such as point one, close all shop selling non-essential items. Include clothing and electronic store and other place, including libraries, playground, sport facility, and place of worship. Point two, stop gathering that involve more than two people in public place, not including with household member. Point three, and all social gathering, including wedding, baptism, and other ceremonial occasion, except for funeral. Number five, park will remain open for sporting purpose, but if found to be used for meeting, they will be dissolved. As well, in terms of slowing down the COVID-19 outbreak, the British government also ordered fund for economic growth, including the British government offering a packaging of 4.6 billion pounds for the business world. The move is to reduce the impact of the economy. Recession that is expected to occur as a result of the lockdown. The British economy is expected to return to recession. The country economy will shrink in the last quarter of uh, 2020, and the first quarter of uh, 20, 2021. British experienced 25% drop in production in the first 2 months of the 21, 20 and 20 2020 lockdown. Finance Minister Rishi Sunak had previously announced emergency assistance for an economy worth 280 billion pounds. This assistance include massive worker project that will run until the, the end of April. With this additional step, retail, hospital, and leisure company will be able to claim up to 90,000 pounds worth of one-time assistance for a total value of up to 4 billion pounds, then plus 600 million pounds in aid for their business. In my opinion, the solution that can be give to always increase to community by obeying the regulation that have been given to the community, and the most important things is be limiting area where the community is not allowed or prohibited from going out of an area, and it was ordered to test all community in the area. This virus control in the area per region can be controlled or can be spread for the number of positive cases of the COVID virus. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Heldi from UK. Uh, hope I hope in UK is great economy and health.
Amin.
And now, Barry from Portugal, and Barry, I can ask you, please explain how you how
Okay.
you COVID-19 because 1 week range 37.3. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Yunus. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hopefully, we'll be in good and health during COVID-19, his pandemic. Okay. My Prime Minister of Social Portugal state. Yeah. It's the first time Portugal has declared of state of emergency in country of about 10 million people, science and democracy in 97 1970s following the decade of right-wing dictatorship. The decree declaring a state of emergency allows the government to suspend to some constitutional rights and freedom, such as freedom of movement and the right to strike. It also allow the government of the first people into quarantine. Decision approved by Parliament would not be used of impose. The measure adopted focus more on strengthening the fight and the preventing the pandemic coronavirus. The state of emergency could be extended after the initial 15-day period ended. And the Prime Minister instead to call to last several months. So far, Portugal has reported 580,000 cases of coronavirus with 2 confirmed deaths. Given this figure of the government warned the time number of infection, the country was expected to continue in increase at least until the end of April 2020. The country has also limit gathering to no more than 100 people, close school and close to nightclubs, and imposed restriction on the number of people who can visit restaurant and limit visit to retirement homes. Okay, thank you for all for the opportunity. Hopefully, COVID-19 will end. I listen to into the moderator, Mr. Yunus. Thank you.
And now, from Turkey, Hanan Wisnu Pambudi. Assalamualaikum, Hanan Wisnu Pambudi.
Okay, thank you.
Hanan Wisnu, I can ask you, how do you explain with Turkey? Because many people are positive for COVID-19. how solution from Turkey.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Moderator. Hello, everyone. Beforehand, allow me to greet all the countries and their leaders who are present at the opportunity today. At the first, Mr. Moderator, hello, Mr. Yunus Nawawi. And from England, hello, Mr. Heldi Triadi. And from Belgium, hello, Mr. Rizky Ramdan Rivaldi. From Russia, hello, Mr. Ahmad Bastian. And from Swiss, hello, Mrs. Lia. From Spain, hello, Mrs. Aryani Romauli. From Italy, hello, Mrs. Nurul. And from German, hello, Mrs. Hestinura. From
Hello,
France, yes, nice to meet you too, Mrs. And from France, hello, Mrs. Silviana. And from Denmark, hello, Mr. Iqbal. From Portugal, hello, Mr. Barry Hillman. And okay, thank you. Thank you to the moderator who have give my time and opportunity to speak with my suggestion, my opinion. Let me introduce you. My name is Hanan Wisnu. I'm leader on Turkey. And I will representative about the Turkey. And on the occasion, I will explain a little about the condition and the less on how to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic in the Turkey. Daily cases of COVID-19 in Turkey as of Monday, 16 October 2020. As many between 2,000 people. So that the total cases will be 1,350,000. When daily cases hit the number above 4,000 in April, Turkey immediately imposed a lockdown on weekends. Restricted travel between cities and closes restaurants and cafes to slow the spread of the COVID-19, which took place in May. And the impact. The Turkish currency fell further on Friday and hit an all-time low due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Turkish lira is the Turkish currency, fell to between 700 against the dollar before the recovery. The lira is down about 19% against the US currency since the start of the year. And there are four main cases to Turkey success in dealing with the COVID-19 crisis. At the first, a good political consolidation with not a single Turkish official ignoring or underestimating the dangers of the impact of COVID-19. At the second, Turkey has a strong food supply and food security because it has food reserves for the next 1 year. The third key, the success is that Turkey investment in health facilities over the past between 15 years has started to show its impact during the current health crisis. The last key or the fourth to Turkey's success is the good public communication that the government will stroke a single source on information so that foreign national in Turkey feel safe. Okay, so the solution that I can give is to always impress the nation by obeying the regulation that have been given to the nation. The nation is not allowed, so prohibited from going out of an area. and it was ordered to treat all communities in the area. Virus control in area per region, per nation can be controlled or can be suppressed for the number of positive cases of the COVID virus. Okay, that's all about Turkey from me. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you, Mr. Hanan from Turkey. And now from
Welcome.
Swiss, Miss Leah. Miss Leah, how do you provide solution to your country? Because your country considered this COVID is conspiration. Yes, and
What?
please explain now.
Okay. Thanks, sir, for give me space to speak about Corona situation in Switzerland. I will introduce myself before. My name is Lia Hanafia. I will tell about Corona situation in Switzerland. More than 8,700 people have died in connection with COVID-19 in Switzerland, which has a population of 8,000.6 million. The speed of the virus in January. On one day, there were 3,775 new cases over the previous 72 hours, as well as 78 deaths and 161 people were hospitalized. The Federal Office on Public Health said France has strengthened the rules for travelers entering from the European Union and Schengen area states, including Switzerland, from 1 February. Arrival from inside the European Union and arrival several other neighboring states such as Switzerland will have present a negative polymers chain reaction PCR test. All arrival, not just but by air and sea, but by land too, must comply with the test rule. There are exceptions, including for cross-border worker and hauliers. Has given the green light to vaccines from Biotech and Moderna. Production problem in Europe have resulted in delay in vaccine supply. The authorities have reserved about 15.8 million vaccine doses from Biotech, Moderna, and AstraZeneca. On 15 January, the government announced the closure of non-essential shop and mandatory teleworking as well as the extension to the end of February of restaurant and sport facilities closures, private gathering and limit to 5 people. While teleworking is not possible, mask Maximal must be worked at the workspace. Even if social distancing is respected, the measures are expected to stay in place until the end of February. Travel is complicated between Switzerland and the European Union and EFTA countries. Citizens and residents of non-Schengen countries and enter Switzerland only in exceptional case. A list of non-Schengen countries not affected by this ban can be found. Citizens and residents of Switzerland may always entry. Starting 8th February, everyone arriving in Switzerland by air must present a negative COVID test. Those coming from high risk countries and region external ring must also undergo a 10-day quarantine, which can be shortened after 7 days if they present another negative test. Um, Thank you all. I give back to moderator.
Thank you, Leah, Miss Leah. Thank you, everybody. And I'm from PBB. My name is Yunus Nawawi. Is very grateful for the explanation that has been given. I hope our country remains good and economy remains good. And I hope it will finish quickly. It, it will quickly and stay safe of your country for sector economy sector and health. And I thank all country who have participated in the meeting, and remember that COVID is here and not a conspiration. Thank you. My name is Yunus from PBB. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu.